Well, it's the 22nd day of July here up in beautiful Dorchester, Wisconsin. I got here brand new semi-pro. I think this is heading out to Washington State any day now. This here 14 horsepower Kohler single cylinder engine. It's got electric start standard, battery up here, auto cycle valve, block lift which is hydraulically actuated. This one has a 4-way wedge on it, also hydraulic up and down. You can get it optionally with a 6-way wedge. It's got 2 legs on either side for good stability. That way, whichever side the block lifts on, you can run. And then a removable jack. Trailer hitch right here with a built-in jack. You can get on and off your truck easily. Cool thing about this machine, it's pretty fast. That 14 horsepower engine's hooked up to a 20 gallon or 22 gallon per minute pump. That's all you gotta do to set up the block lift right there. Now this 22 gallon per minute pump goes through a regenerative valve that gives you a sub 5-second cycle time. We'll fire it up here, run a few blocks through it. It's got the high-low pump, so it'll slow down to split through the big knotty pieces. And then when you're doing a re-split, it'll just cruise right on through. With that auto cycle, you can get the next block ready to go. Pretty productive machine. That's all you need to do to go down the road. No pins or anything on the block. So, unit sells right about $10,000. Made right here in Wisconsin. Check out our website if you'd like to find out more. Give us a shout. Thanks, guys.